I just got out of church and invited. You were funny, right? That's why I was laughing. You must be a cat.
Shalom. Giving all praise to Yahweh by Hashem Yahweh Shah, by Hashem Rekah HaKwadash. Double honors to the elder apostles of Great Millstone. Shalom to the hopeful elect. The Lord Yahweh by Hashem Yahweh Shah is knocking at the door. This is Revelation 3rd chapter. Salakia. Take off these damn shades. It's Revelation 3rd chapter 20th verse. Behold, I stand at the door and knock. If any man hear my voice and open the door, I will come into him and will sup with him and he with me. That's Revelation 3rd chapter 20th verse. The Lord is supping at the door. Let's get some images. This is a good image. The Lord he wants to invite you in to the 100% truth doctrine taught by the elder apostles of Great Millstone. He's knocking at the door through the spirit of the prophets of the Lord that's on the highways, hedges, street corner, and on the internet and YouTube. He's inviting you to the kingdom. Revelation 3rd chapter 20th verse. He's knocking at the door. This is a good image that can explain that. On to the next one, Shalom.